Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. Hope everyone is keeping safe and healthy. So today's video is a bit of a different video. I'm going to be talking about a rhino and lion nature reserve that I went to recently. So if you liked today's video, please give me a subscribe as well as a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed today's video. Also turn on your bell notification so you're notified during my next video upload. So I went to this nature reserve with my boyfriend and we had a lovely time. So this was my first time going to this place. So I'm just going to give you a bit of facts and what this place is about and what features they have and activities that you can do. Okay, so when you get there, you go to get your tickets. And once you have your tickets, they give you a little booklet. So it looks like this, talking to you about what activities they have there, what you can do, what you can see, and all the different animals that you can see in the nature reserve. So I'm just going to give you guys a bit of background about it, and then we're going to go into the actual video of us at the nature reserve. Okay, so this nature reserve is called Botongo Rhino and Lion Nature Reserve. It's in Mulder's Drift. So they just give you a bit of background on what you can do in the nature reserve and what you shouldn't do. So prohibited items is no animals, no guns, no music, no motorbikes, no bicycles, and no drones. So this is the first page. You can just pause and read it on your own. So this is the next page. They just talk about the background of the nature reserve and the opening and closing times. Then they have rules and what activities you can do. So they have lion, cheetah, and wild dog feeding. We did not go to the feeding. We didn't want to see that part. Then they have a wildlife center. So you can visit some animals there and you can also feed them as well. Then they have a live reptile show, a waterfowl park, hippo pools, an African garden, and then you can also do a self-drive as well. So we actually chose the self-drive to do in our car. So we drove all around the nature reserve. So you can also choose a special van as well to go with like a tour guide. Yes, puppy. I have my helper here. Where do you want to go? Hmm? Okay, to continue, they also have a braai and picnic area. And then they have game drives. So that's what I was telling you, where you can go on the nature reserve's caravan with a tour guide. They also have caves as well. That's what we were initially going to see, the caves. But the caves is temporarily closed due to heavy rainfall, so we couldn't see that. They also have restaurants as well. So they also have places where you can stay on the reserve, so cabins and chalets. And then there's also the restaurant page. So we went to Neck and Deck for dinner, which is this one here. And then they have venues to hire. And then they also have this part, this animal part, where every time you see an animal, you can actually tick here. So use the check boxes next to the animal pictures to keep a record of your sightings. So this is all the animals in the reserve. And then they also have a map here just to show you around the reserve because it's actually a really big reserve. More animals. And then they have the bird checklist on the other side. Okay, so to do this entire self-drive and to see the animals and the feeding, we paid 220 per person. And then they also give you this book and they say here one free book per vehicle. And then if you want extra copies, then they charge you 30 Rand a copy. So this is basically the entire booklet. So it was a shame that we weren't able to see the caves, but we did say one day we will definitely go again when the caves do open up. So they also have this booklet as well. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get into the actual video of the nature reserve. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you do, let me know in the comment section, as well as let me know if you would actually go to this place. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Say bye, Mia. feel like I'm in a wrong turn movie. You know those movies.
Yeah. Oh goodness.
Any minute.
What, here comes the hillbillies.
Yeah.
They want to chop us up. I mean, that is the same size as a car.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. That's what I was trying to say. Have you watched that movie called Beast
Beast.
with Idris Elba? He goes into this nature reserve with lions and stuff, and it starts attacking him and his kids in the car.
Oh, jeez.
It reminds me of that.
I really don't like this.
Don't like what?
This.
What?
They are so.
You wanted to come this way. YOLO.
I'm just driving past. I'm just mind my own business.
Where did you
Yeah, no, I'm just.
this little birdie there?
Yeah, sure, that's a big one. Just eat your grass. I'm just mind my own business.
Do you think I can open my window and
Yeah. You do you, my angel.
and then if they kill me?
No, man. They would kill you.
Oh, they're walking. They're walking.
Hello, buddy. Look at the moon. It's Pumbaa. Look at Pumbaa.
Oh, wow.
Oh, Pumbaa.
Okay.
Sure.
Oh, now they're moving. How big is this
This
place?
place is huge.
Yeah.
And there's like 3 camps there where, like, you, this is one camp with like no animals that could actually basically like kill you, like so, except lions.
Yeah.
They're in a different camp.
Oh, so this is the safe side.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, good.
Do you want to go to the other side?
Mm-mm. Nope.
I'll be here.
Mm-mm. It's against an animal. I don't think you could do
See, here's
much.
the where the lions.
Oh, I
This is the
see.
lion predator camp. You want to go in?
We can?
Yo, no.
Okay, I'm getting Pumbaa. Wow, we're actually so close to them.
It's quite nice here because you can bring your like picnic things, whatever,
Mm.
and you can come and like braai here for the day. Pumbaa.
hiding now.
Are they bored of us? Nice shy.
Munching.
No, he knows you're filming. He doesn't want to look up.
Look at
Wait,
Dharma
come
looking
here.
at the camera.
Hey, bro.
Like walking with a purpose.
I'm telling you that. It's got a mission.
Yeah. On a mission. It's after your hippo.